Anemia is a health condition when the blood is low on red blood cells, causing lack of oxygen flow in the body. In a healthy individual, red blood cells form an integral part of hemoglobin that usually binds the oxygen and allows it to move freely throughout the body. So, having a low red blood cell count diminishes the presence of hemoglobin and oxygen, in turn, all the while making you feel tired and exhausted most of the time. Although there are different types of anemia, but the most common form that is commonly diagnosed in many individuals is due to the deficiency of iron rich foods or supplements in the daily diet. Well, you can go for modern medication to treat it right away, but if you prefer Ayurvedic ingredients that produce little or no side effect, one such incredible remedy for anemia and the underlying symptom is Mandoor Bhasma. Mandoor Bhasma is an Ayurvedic proprietary medication comprising of calcium, iron, and mainly indicated for the purpose of treating and managing iron deficiency anemia. Mother Earth is made up of different type of metals and minerals, and though we may not realize there are many therapeutic efficacies of these buried metals, the iron that remains preserved under the Earth's crust for 80 to 100 years starts rusting and is chemically known as ferric oxide. This iron is extremely beneficial and when purified and crushed forms the Ayurvedic formulation Mandoor Bhasma. Seeing its so many benefits, number of herbal Ayurvedic companies sell Mandoor Bhasma in the market, but to a new buyer, it is never easy to decide which Mandoor Bhasma is the right choice for him. 5 best Mandoor Bhasma product available in the Indian market which you can go for. If you are also seeking one such product for you, then I'll recommend you to stay with us till the end of this video. Hello and welcome to another video of Ingenious Ayurveda. In this video, we have taken 5 most purchased Mandoor Bhasma product. These products are Vaidyanath Mandoor Bhasma, Dabur Mandoor Bhasma, Dhuta Papeshwar Mandoor Bhasma, Patanjali Divya Mandoor Bhasma and Unja Mandoor Bhasma. Now if we discuss their quantity and rate, so Vaidyanath Mandoor Bhasma 10 gram bottle is available at Rs 67 in the market. Dabur Mandoor Bhasma 10 gram Mandoor Bhasma is available at Rs 52. Dhuta Papeshwar 10 gram Mandoor Bhasma is available at Rs 85. Patanjali Divya Mandoor Bhasma 5 gram Bhasma is available at Rs 14. And Unja Mandoor Bhasma 10 gram Bhasma is available at Rs 58 in the market. Now if we discuss the ingredients which have been used to form Mandoor Bhasma, so all these products are made up of Shuddha Mandoor Bhasma, Triphala Kwat, Grit Kumari and Gaumutra. After the ingredient, let's discuss the dose which is recommended by these. So if you are using Vaidyanath's Mandoor Bhasma, you should be consuming 250 to 750 mg with honey twice a day. In case if you are using Dabur Mandoor Bhasma, you should consume 30 to 240 mg in the morning and evening with buttermilk or directed by the physician. If you are using Dhuta Papeshwar Mandoor Bhasma, you should consult with an Ayurvedic expert or you should contact the person where you are buying this from, as there is no recommended dose from the company. Now if you are using Patanjali Divya Mandoor Bhasma, so also there is no recommended dose from the company. If you are using Unja Mandoor Bhasma, then you should be consuming 25 to 50 mg for children, 125 to 370 mg for adults, and in pregnancy, women should consume 25 mg, whereas old age people should consume 50 to 125 mg. The maximum dose consumption should be 750 mg, not more than that. So as per the product you have chosen, you should take the recommended dose. Now let's discuss the benefit of Mandoor Bhasma. So friends, Mandoor Bhasma is most effective in liver disorders. It corrects anemia, jaundice, piles, edema associated with liver disorders, indicated in general debility. It is also used for enlargement of spleen, excessive blood loss in periods, loss of appetite, general debility, especially if it is associated with anemia. Mandoor Bhasma is hematogenic, means it helps in formation of red blood cells. It is also hematinic, which increases hemoglobin levels in the body. If your hemoglobin level remains low, you should start consuming Mandoor Bhasma. So friends, while choosing Mandoor Bhasma, you should also take care of some of the precautions which are Do not exceed the recommended dose which have been informed to you by the company or by the physician. Also, avoid taking curd or salt while using any of these mandoor bhasm because it may reduce the chances of getting over the problem you are taking mandoor bhasm for. And keep the product away or out from children's reach. So friends, these are some of the precautions that you must take care of. So this is it for this video. How did you like this video? Let us know in the comment section. If you found this video informative, press the like and share button and also subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos in future. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit.